In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could see who subscribed to you here on YouTube. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, this is going to work on desktop as well as on mobile. But what you're going to want to do is open up YouTube and head up to this top right corner and tap on your profile icon. If you do manage more than one account, go ahead and make sure that you do switch to the right one by selecting switch account. But whenever you're on the right account, go ahead and select YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, you're first going to land by default on the dashboard. On this right hand side though, you're going to want to scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to see a recent subscribers list, which is going to show you a quick preview of the latest people who subscribe to you and your channel. To see that full list, go ahead and select See All. And from here, you can adjust the time frame to something like your lifetime, and you'll be able to see pretty much everything on this. And you just got to scroll through this to see that full list of your subscribers. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But I will say, if you really want to check some cool stuff, you can filter it by the subscriber count to see who the most sub channel is. Like we got this guy right here who has 265,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool. They are sub to this channel. Now, if someone does hide their subscriptions, they're not going to appear on this list, so keep that in mind. But that's that. If you have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.